Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn what feelings and emotions we have as humans. Are you curious? Let's begin. Positive feelings are emotions that make you feel good, kind, and full of energy. Grateful. Grateful means you feel happy and thankful because someone did something nice for you. Surprised. Surprised means something happens that you did not expect. Happy. Happy means you feel good inside and you want to smile. Excited. Excited means you are very happy because something fun or special is going to happen. Proud. Proud means you feel happy because you did a good job or someone you love did something great. Passionate. Passionate means you really love doing something and care about it a lot. Satisfied. Satisfied means you feel happy because something turned out well and you don't need more. We all have negative feelings and emotions, too. Negative feelings are emotions that make you feel upset, worried, or unhappy inside. Bored. Bored means you have nothing fun to do and you don't feel interested. Nervous. Nervous means you feel worried because something important is going to happen. Frustrated. Frustrated means you feel upset because you can't do something or something goes wrong. Lonely. Lonely means you feel sad because you want someone to be with you. Upset. Upset means you feel bad inside because something did not go the way you wanted. Embarrassed. Embarrassed means you feel like hiding because something awkward happened. Did you know these emotions and feelings? Have you ever experienced them? Keep learning with our channel and don't forget to subscribe.